Are you looking for a way to make money online? Have you heard about the Amazon affiliate program? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you how you can make money through the Amazon affiliate program and become a successful affiliate marketer. Number 1. Sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. Visit the Amazon Associates website. Go to the official Amazon Associates website using your web browser. Click on Join Now for free. Look for the Join Now for free button or a similar call to action on the homepage or landing page. Click on it to begin the registration process. Sign in with your Amazon account or create a new one. If you already have an Amazon account, sign in using your existing credentials. If you don't have an Amazon account, click on the Create Your Amazon Account button and follow the prompts to set up a new account. Provide your account information. Fill in the required account information, including your name, email address, and password. You may also need to provide additional personal or business details depending on your circumstances, such as your mailing address and phone number. Enter your website or app details. Provide information about your website, blog, or app where you plan to promote Amazon products. This includes the website URL, app package name, or other relevant details. If you don't have a website or app yet, you can still sign up and enter the details later. Describe your website or app. Briefly describe the content and purpose of your website or app. Explain how you plan to use the Amazon affiliate program and how it relates to your audience or users. Number 2. Choose a niche. Identify your interests and expertise. Start by exploring your own interests, hobbies, and areas of expertise. Choose a niche that aligns with your passions and knowledge, as this will make it more enjoyable and sustainable for you to create content and engage with your audience. Conduct market research. Research the potential profitability and demand within various niches. Look for niches that have a sizable audience and sufficient product offerings on Amazon. Tools like Google Trends, keyword research tools, and Amazon itself can provide insights into popular niches and search trends. Assess competition and niche saturation. Evaluate the level of competition within your chosen niche. While some competition is healthy, excessively saturated niches may make it challenging to stand out. Find a balance where there's room for you to establish your unique voice and add value to your target audience. Define your target audience. Identify the specific audience you want to target within your chosen niche. Consider factors such as demographics, interests, preferences, and buying behavior. Understanding your target audience will help you tailor your content and product recommendations to their needs. Consider profitability and product diversity. Evaluate the potential profitability of your niche by assessing the average commission rates, product pricing, and demand for related products. Additionally, ensure there's a wide range of products available on Amazon within your niche to provide variety and cater to different audience preferences. Number 3. Build a website or blog. Choose a domain name. Select a domain name that reflects your niche and is easy to remember. Consider using keywords related to your niche to help with search engine optimization, SEO. Register your domain. Use a domain registrar service like GoDaddy, Namekeep, or Google Domains to register your chosen domain name. Follow the registration process and pay the required fees to secure your domain. Select a web hosting provider. Choose a reliable web hosting provider that offers good performance, uptime, and customer support. Some popular options include Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator. Consider the hosting package that suits your website's needs and budget. Set up your website platform. Install a content management system, CMS, like WordPress, which is beginner-friendly and widely used. Many hosting providers offer one-click installation of WordPress, making it easy to set up your website. Choose a theme. Select a visually appealing and responsive theme that suits your niche. Look for themes that are optimized for speed, SEO, and customization options. WordPress offers a wide range of free and premium themes to choose from. Customize your website. Customize your website's appearance by adding your logo, adjusting colors, and selecting fonts that align with your brand. Configure your site's layout, menus, and widgets to create a user-friendly and intuitive navigation experience. Install essential plugins. Enhance the functionality of your website by installing essential plugins. Some recommended plugins for an affiliate website include an SEO plugin, e.g. Yoast SEO, a caching plugin, e.g. WP Rocket, a social sharing plugin, and an affiliate link management plugin, e.g. Thirsty Affiliates. Number 4. Create high-quality content. Understand your audience. Research and understand your target audience's needs, preferences, and pain points. This knowledge will help you create content that resonates with them and provides genuine value. Offer valuable information. Focus on providing informative, accurate, and detailed content. Write product reviews, buying guides, tutorials, and informative articles that answer common questions or solve problems related to your niche. Be comprehensive and objective in your approach. Incorporate storytelling. Use storytelling techniques to engage your audience and make your content more relatable. Share personal experiences, anecdotes, or case studies that demonstrate the benefits or effectiveness of the products you are promoting. Use engaging formats. Experiment with different content formats to keep your audience engaged. Incorporate images, videos, infographics, and interactive elements whenever appropriate. Visual content can help break up the text and make your content more visually appealing. Focus on readability. Structure your content for easy readability. Use clear headings, subheadings, bullet points, and short paragraphs to make your content scannable. Use a readable font size and style, and ensure your website has a responsive design for optimal viewing on different devices. Number 5. Analyze and track your performance. Set up website analytics. Install web analytics tools such as Google Analytics on your website. Set up the tracking code provided by the analytics tool to collect data on your website's performance. Define key performance indicators, KPIs. Determine the metrics that are most relevant to your affiliate business. Common KPIs include website traffic, click-through rates, CTR, conversion rates, revenue generated, and average order value. Establish specific goals for each KPI to measure your progress. Monitor website traffic. Regularly review your website's traffic metrics to understand the volume and sources of your website visitors. Analyze data such as the number of visitors, page views, and time spent on site. Identify trends and patterns in your traffic to gain insights into the effectiveness of your promotional efforts. Track affiliate link clicks. Utilize affiliate link tracking tools or plugins to monitor the number of clicks your affiliate links receive. This data will help you evaluate the performance of your content and the appeal of your product recommendations. Measure conversion rates. Analyze the conversion rates of your affiliate links to track the percentage of visitors who make purchases after clicking on your links. Compare conversion rates across different content types, products, and traffic sources to identify areas for improvement. Review revenue and earnings. Monitor your affiliate revenue and earnings on a regular basis. Track the revenue generated through your affiliate links and calculate your commission earnings. Assess the profitability of different products or categories to guide your content creation and promotional strategies. Thanks for watching.